Meet Maya Madsen, America's #1 Black-owned gourmet vegan cookie company. As a vegan with a sweet tooth, she wasn't able to find that perfect, soft-baked, delicious vegan cookie, so she spent years crafting her award-winning recipe. Today we learned about how Maya's cookies started and how it will grow in the future.
I don't even know how many cookies I baked before I decided on the perfect cookie. I want to say hundreds. I finally landed on the perfect cookie when it was deliciously melt in your mouth, gooey gooey, but also a little crispy on the outside, and it definitely reminded me of the cookies I grew up on before I was vegan. Luckily I have 3 sons that eat a lot, so they were the ones that were the beneficiaries of all the cookies that I had to say no to before I landed on my perfect chocolate chip cookie recipe. My ideal client is someone that loves a delicious cookie, vegan or non-vegan. Some of the other benefits of eating a Maya's cookie are being plant-based. It's better for the environment, it's better for the animals, they're just overall better for you. The emotions or feelings that you get from eating a Maya's cookie should be pure joy, ecstasy, pleasure, all of those things. And I often say that cookies make people happy, so definitely it should make you feel happy. 2020 was a huge turning point for Maya's Cookies. We went from being predominantly a farmers market and festival vendor wanting to be an online national retailer to an online national retailer that happens to do farmers markets and hopefully festivals when they start up again. We also opened our flagship store, which is attached to our production facility. That was huge for us. That's something that I didn't think I would do for years to come, and the customers have been coming and supporting that. I'm looking to possibly grow that. I could see a Maya's Cookies retail store in other major cities. I also would like to continue to grow our online store presence. And who knows, maybe one day you'll see our cookie dough in some of your local grocery stores. We know people love Maya's Cookies, and I want them to continue to share the love and introduce them to their friends and family, because cookies make people happy, and I want to spread that joy throughout the world.